In the last general elections, Congress party has faced rout in most of the tribal constituencies, which has been traditionally the stronghold of the party. One of the reasons for this has been the poor implementation of Forest Right Act. When the law was enacted in 2006, it was supposed to reform the forest governance the colonial way in which it has denied the tribals and forest dwelling communities rights over forest resources. But in the last 7 years of its implementation, majority of the tribals and forest dwellers have not benefited from the act. For example, the India Forestry Outlook, a document of the Ministry of Environment and Forest, projected that by 2020, around 15 million hectares of forest land should be transferred to forest dwellers under the Forest Right Act. But in last 7 years, only 2.2 million hectares has been transferred to forest dwellers under the law. A major provision of Forest Right Act which remains unimplemented is the rights over community forest resources. Ministry of Tribal Affairs mandate that under the Forest Right Act, every village should have rights over community and community forest resources. But the data shows that out of the total Forest Right Act titles, only 2% pertain to community forest rights. Another provision of the law that could have been the game changer is the rights over community forest is the rights over minor forest produce. Minor forest produce has been first time defined under this law, and lucrative forest produce like bamboo and tendu have been placed under it. This could have meant a business of 2,500 crore for tribals per year. But because Forest Department doesn't want to give away the control over these lucrative forest produce, it has been resisting the implementation of this provision. The new government can definitely learn from the mistakes of the past government and work with clarity on the implementation of this law. The first thing that they need to do is to define the role of the Forest Department in the implementation of this law, and they can initiate a new phase of implementation of this law focusing mainly on the community forest rights.